Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here to do a quick unboxing. It's not in a box, so it's technically just a reveal of my newest little handbag. I actually got this one from Nordstrom, and yeah, I got it on sale. So if you'd like to see what I got, continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. I know a lot of you know this already, but in case you didn't, designer brands do have sales, and as rare or as quiet as they come, they do happen. So I'm talking about Chanel, Hermes, I don't know if like Dior does it for sure. I don't think I've heard of Louis Vuitton, but maybe. Even the high, luxury brands do it. So of course, luxury brands of the Mulberry level will also do it, and they actually do advertise it online. So you could get these online on sale. However, they are generally harder to return because they are on sale. So you should pay attention to their return policy. Why I bought it at Nordstrom is because Nordstrom price matches usually to the brand of the item. So in this case, if it's Mulberry and Mulberry has a website with a sale, they'll match it. So it was actually automatically matched, but otherwise you can submit a price adjustment. So I ended up picking this up from Nordstrom, and if it doesn't work out, I can easily return it to Nordstrom as well. So free shipping, free returns. It comes with this bag, this dust bag. It's a very sturdy kind of cotton canvas, and it says this care bag made with 100% recycled material, and you could see Mulberry written right up here, and it does have a drawstring. So if I could figure out how to use it. Oh yeah, you just kind of pull right here to cinch it up. But yes, it is a rather small bag. I could kind of feel it already, but let's take a look at what it is. To reveal this super cute bucket bag. So this is the mini Islington, and you can see that it is in a sort of gray-green color. The actual color name is linen green. So yes, it is super cute. It is very tiny, and it does come with a strap that looks like it's adjustable. Is it removable? Yes, it is. It's removable, but yeah, there's like a little tab, snap tab here, and so you can remove the leather strap if you wanted to, and that also means you should be able to hook another strap on here as well. It does have a little tiny top handle. As you can see, it's very small, so you can probably just put it on the on your wrist, and that's it. And let's see what else is here. There is a little Mulberry logo stamp right there, but otherwise, yeah, there's no feet, very, very lightweight actually as well. So the front of this bag actually has their postman lock, which it's very Mulberry. And let me just kind of remove all the stuff. So you can see that it does have the post right here, and this allows you to open up the bag more because the sides, as you can see here, this leather piece does run through. So if you wanted to open it up a little bit more, as you can see now, it does open up to a bigger bucket. So let me just take out the stuffing. All right, so the inside, I do see a Mulberry card. This one has it says mini Islington bucket in linen green. And so it does have that, and then also has the care booklet right here. And the inside feels like a suede lining, although it could also be micro suede. I'm not sure. I have to read up on it a little bit more. And this one is, oh my gosh, guys, this is made in England. I'll try to take a picture because I cannot show you, but there's a tag in here and it says made in England. I cannot tell you how surprised I am because I've made a video of an unboxing of, I think it was a tote bag. So it must have been the name is escaping me. I'll try to put it right here, but it is a tote bag that I read online that says it was made in the UK, but then it ended up being made in Turkey. And I messaged the team, the Mulberry team, to see if they could get me another bag that is made in the UK or in England, whatever the tag, because I wanted a brand that is English to be made in the UK or in England. So they couldn't find one, and I was like, okay, well, then I want to return it because, yeah, I wanted something special. So I was not expecting much because, this is a very small bag and not a super high price point. So I didn't think that they would make in England, but maybe they are making some changes. They're listening to what customers want and then bringing the production back to where they started. So maybe that's what's happening. If that is, that's great, because I would definitely buy their items more. The bag itself looks like it's made in great condition. I mean, there's just one bucket in here. And if I showed you my phone, which is the Google Pixel 5, there is plenty of space in there. I could also, can I put it? Yeah, I could twist it sideways, but it makes it harder to take out. You can see that it takes up the bottom of my phone if it fell straight down. So it's like, it could sit on the bottom. But yeah, like I said, it's probably hard to take it out that way when you stuff it with items, but this one can fit quite a bit of stuff. So I will have to do a more in-depth of what fits in here, but I can put in the dimensions in the description box below. Holding it just now, it does feel very lightweight, which I love, because when you start to fill this up, you know, you don't want to feel the weight of the leather and of the bag. But yeah, the strap itself here is, like I said, adjustable, and I love that there's like a little leather tab to keep this thing from flying up, so you can keep it down like that. Let's see how it looks on me. I am 5'1", a crossbody. It feels pretty nice, and on the shoulder it also hits me. Yeah, on the shoulder it hits me at a pretty good length. I think, yeah, crossbody feels better at this length, but I can definitely shorten it and play around with it. I think I can remove this tab and then replace this, but I probably won't, because I think this shoulder strap is actually a really good size for this guy. I'm going to try to use it quite a bit before I do a updated review to share it with you guys. But yeah, it's your leather bucket. It's a tiny one, no feet. I would have rather it had feet, but yeah, I got this one for a pretty good price, less than $1,000 US. And so I will link it below where I found it on Nordstrom if you're interested. I think they have many different colors. I was actually eyeing the pink one, but that one wasn't on sale. So I thought, you know, this is actually a pretty nice neutral color as well. It's kind of like, yeah, like I said, a gray green. So if you're interested in how this looks on me, I will also be putting my outfits and stuff on my Instagram at Clutch to Carry All. But otherwise, yeah, I kind of just quickly showed you what it would look like, you know, on my 5'1" frame. I could see myself totally wearing this one this summer. Actually, I think fall would be a great time for this as well. The color is just perfect. It goes with everything. They also have a bigger size. This is the mini, but they have a regular size, and that one's just a little bit more. So it's not that bad. If you are interested, I will link that one below as well. Plenty of colors to choose from. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. I do have a Louis Vuitton unboxing coming up soon, so definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already. I would love to see you in my next one. Until then, have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!